No, it didn't.
Welcome to the laid back mat. In this short session, we will be doing mountain pose. Mountain pose is, it looks like you're just standing there, but it's actually a very active asana, very active position in yoga. And you're gonna often start this way, you're gonna end up this way. So may as well do it right, right? So let's not look down and just start walking into place. And stop. Exhale your nose down. See where your ankle landed, your heels. Now draw a straight line. See if they reach your little bones here sticking out, your hip bones. They're lined up with it. Now let's send our big toe in just a little bit, just to allow the upper part of our feet to line up with each other. That's why the big toe looks like it's in, but your feet are actually lined up with one another, and your ankle are under your hips. Now let's nail our toes up. Feel the ground with your feet. See if there's like a few points in your feet that touch the ground. Maybe a couple at the heel. Maybe right below the toes where the foot starts. And exhale your toes down. Breathe as much as you need in between. Inhale your fingertips up. And just exhale them back down to your side. Let them drop where they drop. Now engage your leg again towards each other. Pull, 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 pull. Bend the knee a little bit. You want that flexible. Little bend. Inhale your fingertip up. Maybe place your hands towards each other or against each other, your palms, and exhaling your hands to your chest. Inhale them back up and exhale them back to the side. Mountain pose. Your palms can be open, they can be to your side. Inhale, shrug, shrug the shoulder up, send them back. Exhale, let them go. Make sure there's plenty of room for your neck. And you are in mountain pose, Tadasana. So with a good foundation, you can start moving your middle, engaging your leg and adding a little bit more balance. So always feel free to come out of whatever you are doing and reset that foundation, that mountain pose. Inhale. Maybe exhale to the side, opening the shoulder. Inhale back up. Did you remember to engage your legs? And exhale, other side. And inhale back up and exhale. And if you forget little things, just pick one thing to remember and then just add to it as it sinks in. And big inhale up one more time. Exhale, hands to the heart. Namaste.